Hi everyone, today I'm changing from the stock front mudguard to the high fender mudguard. Come along and I'll show you all the steps involved, but really it's just as simple as that. No, not really, it's a bit more to it. Anyway, I'll show you how it's all done. Hopefully you appreciate it. These are the only tools you're going to need: a ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, 5mm Allen key, and here's all the nuts and bolts. Well, bolt, and here's all the bolts. Bracket, and I've worked it out. They give you too many. You only need 4 for the mudguard, 4 of those ones for the bracket. So you get 2 of each left over. Bonus level. Alright, let's begin. I think that's first. Time lapse. Dope. And the bottom one. It's the long one. Yep. That's it, I think. How does that come out of there? There you go. Front mudguard. Oh. Alright. Woohoo! There's a new one. Alright. Lock tight. Those bolts there. I'll just get one started. That's the 10mm socket. That one. That goes up on there. And that sits in there like that. How cool is that? She's done it on it. Right. Don't do them up too tight yet. Seems to be the trick. And just done up nice and firm, nothing over tightened. You got Loctite on there. Alright, take that off, put that on there. Let's get the new mudguard. hydration first. And Loctite. What do I do? The hard one first or the easy one? Don't know. We'll see. Let's just get it in there first. Is it good in there alright? There. Bolt. I'll go front one easier, hopefully. Somewhere. I wish I could see who you are. Are you there? There it is. It's on. Pretty happy with that. It looks awesome. I am going to put a couple of those bolts back in there. But yeah, what a transformation. Looks awesome. Very happy. And center stand makes things so much easier for those sort of jobs, but let's get it out here for a photo. Gotta love that. Looks blimmin' awesome. Notice I've got the tall screen on my bike, which is okay, but when you get off-road stuff it's a bit tricky, because I had this cool sticker I wanted to put onto the back of the windscreen, the stock one, and guess what I did? I thought I would clean it with, yeah, so don't do that, because that is what it does to it, and I've tried everything to get that back and I just can't. All I did was wipe it a couple of times and it just destroyed the plastic. So you can buy them brand new again. Lucky I had the high one that was on the bike when I bought it, but yeah, I don't know. I might just put a sticker there or something, I don't know. Maybe that might work. Yeah. Anyway, you live and learn, as they say. I hope you like that how-to video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.